He did it. He really did it.
Okay, so I had to re-record the intro of this video because I didn't realize there was no audio of me talking. So all I'm doing right here is I just close an order for a $150 loss, right? And then it was a test order. So what I'm trying to do is decide how confident I am in this pullback. I want to know for sure that I can have confidence in this pullback, right? So if I can have confidence in this pullback and that it's going to pull back from the top of this candle here all the way down to this wick, then I will enter with 10 contracts, right? If I'm not 100% sure, I'll reduce that number of contracts all the way down to 2 to 4 to 6. And I believe I'm going to go with 6 here. Okay, so you see me looking at 10. The spread is $6,000 to $1,000. Don't like it. I'm looking at it to the downside. We're gonna go with 6. Okay, thinking upside. I'm looking, and what I'm doing is I'm also checking the watch list to see how all the stocks are moving to see if I'm gonna get a true reversal here. And we need to get in as close to the top as possible. You see me really debating. I'm really debating how much am I going to risk. Let's go with 6 contracts, risking $600 to make $3,600.
Order filled.
I actually didn't mean to enter that quick, but as you can see, I've already got my take profit level set. And now we just wait. We're going to be patient. We need to see this come to 20 cents before we see it pop off. It's going to pop up soon. And this is me being aware that I'm in a counter trend trade and that it can pop at any time to the upside, but also knowing where the ceiling of the trade is. It's very important to know where your ceiling is. Your ceiling is the area of resistance. When there is resistance and you see that we're sitting at $300. Like, I'm confident that we're going to come down. We're just looking for a quick, strong pullback. One quick, strong pullback. And that's me talking in the thing. I'm looking for a pullback to right here. Nothing crazy. $600. Come on, 30 cents flat is all we need. There's $75. All we need is 30 cents. And I'm always aware when I'm saying all we need is 30 cents, I'm talking about what's happening on SPY. We're going to give it a shot right here. This should go down to 30 cents. That'll give us $300. Break the 40s. There we go. We're breaking the 40s. We're so close. Break the 40s. There we go. It's 9:42. When I say break the 40s, I mean right here. There we go. Let me pause there for a second. So what I'm aware of, I'm always aware of what time in the morning it is, right? When I'm doing a trade. I'm always aware of when the reversals happen. They happen at certain times. So if we're pushing up from 9:30, right? The market opened. We started pushing up, going up, 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 up. Once you hit that ceiling, at around 9:40, 9:45, things will start to reverse to the downside to get a nice little pullback for the continuation at 10 a.m., right? So I'm in the pullback. All I'm trying to do is get the pullback. I'm not trying to go all the way down here to the 200 EMA, which will get me $3,600 or anything like that. I just want this candle right here. I just want this. It's a fair value gap in there. I just want to go down to the fair value gap and get out of the trade. So I'm going to stop here and then I'll just cut myself into the video. 150, come on, break the 40s. We'll take our 150. Click modify at $300. That's $375. We're at 450, 500 now. That's a great trade right there. $500 is a great trade. If we can get 1,000, that would be awesome too. Okay, so we're gonna take a
stop
450 or whatever. So we got 450 out of that. Not a bad trade. Okay, so we're at $500 today. Yeah, we just sold out. 6 contracts is what we got up to right here. We just sold out. Total of $500. Highest we saw was $550. Now the issue is like when you're first starting your funded account, I don't want you shooting for $1,000, $10,000, and yes, we could have made $1,000 right here, or at least 800. But what you're trying to do is just have very steady trades. This is a brand new fully funded account we're starting today. I'm going to take you guys from scratch. Normally I start with 2 contracts, but since we're reversing off of the top, I felt I could grow up to 6 contracts, and as you can see, I could have got a lot higher. So let's say I wanted to go in here with 2 contracts, right? I'd wait for it to push up a little bit, and then I'd enter with 2 contracts. But honestly, we're going to shoot up to the upside. So I would take this market to the upside if I was going to take the trade or whatever, because everything is still trending up. Even though we're having a pullback, which is a great pullback, we are still in an uptrend. So I would be taking this to the upside before anything. So like, let's say I'm risking $200, right? I'm going to go ahead, and when this pulls back one last time, I'd buy
Order
it
filled.
and then I would try to ride it right back to where I came from, which is at about 30 cents. And then there you go. You see you're taking off for 30 cents. You're already at $100. And that just goes to show you that we are in an uptrend. We're not in a downtrend. We're already at $200. We're going to be looking to close here. Click on positions. Click close. We have it set to manual. $250 going to 300. We'll take $225.
Order filled.
And that's just to show you guys that you don't have to take massive trades to make a lot of money day trading. As you guys saw, I waited for the pullback, as we got to eat. Listen, my rule is equal lows. Let's go. If the lows are equal, we'll take that trade to the upside. If the highs are equal, we'll take that trade to the downside. Equal highs, let's ride. Equal lows, let's go. And I do this every single day, guys. I'm already up to $722. You don't have to take massive amounts of money and invest it in order. And I'm risking $200 to make $1,200, but I'm taking profit at the $3 mark. So when I go $3, because this is what, 7 to 706, right? So at the $3 mark is exactly where we got to. I take profit at about $3 in a trade in a quick scalp. Now, if I'm holding for a day trade, what I'm looking to do is, let's go to the 15-minute. I'm looking to get in, if I'm holding a day trade, like the full day, I'm looking to get in like down here at 4 o'clock in the morning, or I'm looking to get in anytime after the market has really started to fall, and we've hit a low. Or if we go up to a high, let's go like to the 1 hour and refresh. If we were to come up to like right here, I'd be looking to take this to the downside, right? Which we're going to get back up there as well. Anytime you get these large wicks, we're going to be looking to take those out and make them full body candles, just like we did over here. We're halfway up this one, and then we wicked up to the high point. We wicked all the way through there. We're going to be looking to take these wicks and make them full body candles. That's orders that are sitting up down here that are waiting to be pushed up. But we're at $722. We're going to shut it down for the day, guys. You don't have to make a ton of trades. You don't have to make really aggressive trades. I did a $6 trade and I did a $2 trade. The $6 trade got me $500. The $2 trade got me $250 for a grand total of $722, because there are fees that you pay when you close out your orders. But listen, thank you guys so much for checking out the day trade. I got to get going. I'm supposed to be at my warehouse 17 minutes ago, so I'm running late. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have questions about my entry and stuff like that, I'm going to go over it in detail later, but please leave them in the comments section and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Have a great day. If you're trading today, happy hunting and be careful out there. And as always, take the easy money.